Everyone, I just wanted to record a quick video because I just realized a really easy way to convert things to PDF, and I can't believe I didn't think of it sooner. Kami, you know Kami's my favorite. Why didn't I think of this? So if you go to classwork and then you go to class resources, the beginning of the year I posted this link. Now this link is it's associated with me and my account. So it gives my students access to all the free features of Kami. If you put this into your URL and you hit enter, you have the ability to open something from your computer. And if you have that image saved on your computer or saved on your Google Drive, then you can really easily open it and it'll say, oh, this isn't a PDF, do you want to convert it? And it'll convert it for you. I don't know if I have any examples. Maybe I just convert my last screenshot. Convert, open. So Kami says, oh wait, that's not a PDF. So I say, convert it for me, Kami. Kami converts it for me. And I'm going to put no thanks because it's asking me if I want to scan the text. I don't really want to. And then when I'm ready to share it, I can just share the link. Link sharing is off, so I'd have to pick anyone with the link can get their own copy. No, sorry, anyone with the link can annotate. Sharing permissions. So that's one option, but you have to make sure to turn on link sharing. Another option is, well, now I can go turn around and download it to my computer, and it'll keep the same title, but it'll just say Kami export in the front. If you do any annotating, I recommend clicking this button because it'll make the annotations appear sooner. They won't take so long to load. And then just click begin export. And it says your export was successfully processed. So I go to open it, and now my image is now a PDF file. See? I'm so glad I thought of this, and I hope you guys will take advantage of this option for converting to PDF because it really helps me when I'm grading, because then I can just open it directly to Kami and write on it if I need to. Okay? Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.